Welcome to Vengeance Racing, Cumming, Georgia. It's the just about the end of January. It's 25, 26 degrees out. Actually, a little bit of snow coming down, pretty crisp. We were just going to talk about one of our real cool packages, our Maggie Street package. This package is kind of a bread and butter package for us, kind of rating that high power, right price, super reliable. The package consists of CNC ported cylinder heads, one of our PD supercharger camshafts, long tube headers, and we utilize the awesome Magnsuon 2650 supercharger. This package, pretty much as is. I think this car here made about 855, 830 foot-pounds of torque. Definitely enough to punish the factory tires, especially when it's 25 degrees out. Anybody interested in this package, definitely give us a buzz, reach out, check out our guys. Thanks.